Welcome to a new section in this course, which is called API automation. In this section, we're going to talk a lot about API requests using HTTP request libraries like requests, and then switching over to building projects like a domain checker that takes a given domain and checks it for its availability and then informs you via Twilio. So it sends you a WhatsApp message to your phone to make sure that you understand that your domain is now purchasable. The good thing with this setup is that you will get a head start into how to use public APIs like the one from GoDaddy or from Twilio itself. So we will have a lot of fun with those public APIs to send you WhatsApp messages, for example. Especially handling authorization is a lot of fun. In addition to that, we will create a Spotify music adder bot that will add the given songs to your favorited playlist. So let's stop talking and get our hands dirty.